Hey ladies, I just wanted to get on here and talk to you guys for a second. I just wanted to show you how important it is to just give your weave some shape after getting your weave installed. It doesn't have to be a major cut, but it's important to just give it some type of shape. For example, if you have shorter hair in the front, you might want to do an angle so it blends from short to long so that it all flows together. Now, don't get me wrong. You can have a long bust down 26 inch and it can all be smooth and just lay. But if you're looking for something that you just can toss around, it can not always be so polished or so bone straight. It's important to give your weave a cut. That way it just flows and it gives it a more natural look. Not only does it give it a natural look, it's also an effortless look. So it just makes it a lot easier to style your weave. And most people get weaves for convenience because it's easier. So yeah, that's just a quick little tip. And as you can see, I'm just throwing some quick curls. Just tossing some quick curls in here, and then it will just flow. It'll just have a flow now that I have these long layers in my hair. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if there's any other topics you guys want to talk about or any other videos that you're interested in seeing. But as you can see, it just flows from the shortest part of my hair into the longest part of the weave. A cut to change your life. Shaping your weave or a cut or a trim is one of the major keys to achieving a natural looking hair weave. That's how you make your install look natural.